Jagodev students, today we will study the chapter poverty. Poverty, student, that it is a state of condition of the people where the people are not able to satisfy even their minimum basic necessities. Poverty is the problem not only of India, but it is the problem of entire world, and it is the challenge for India and the world, global world also. That nearly one fifth people of poor people of the world, they are living in India only. So in India, majority of the poor people are living that is the world's one fifth population of poor people are from India only. So it is the biggest problem and it is the biggest challenge to India. Now, what is poverty? Poverty is a state or it is a condition where that the people are not even to satisfy even their basic necessities. Means the basic necessities like food, clothing, and shelter. These are the basic necessities, and also that good hygienic condition, clean drinking water, etc. So even if the person is not able to arrange these things for himself, so that is known as the poor, and he is suffering from poverty. So what is poverty? Poverty refers to a state in which an individual is unable to fulfill even the basic necessities of life. पॉवर्टी वो सिचुएशन है, पॉवर्टी जिसे गरीबी कहा जाता है. गरीबी आप सभी को पता है कि लॉट ऑफ पुअर पीपल आर लिविंग इन इंडिया. यू हैव सीन इन योर लोकेलिटी और इन योर एनीवेयर इन एनी पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री, wherever you go you found the number of poor people in our country. So poverty means the person who is not able to satisfy or not able to fulfill their minimum basic necessities. In India, there are the person who are not having the meal for a day. That means it's very difficult for them to arrange the meal. That is the number of beggars are there in India. So poverty is a condition when the people is not able to satisfy their basic necessities. Now who are poor? Poor, the person who is not able to arrange for himself, that is the minimum basic necessities, food, clothing, shelter, even the housing facilities, and also that is hygienic conditions, clean drinking water, and electricity, etc. So he is the poor, and the condition he is living is known as the poverty. There are two types of poverty in India, that is urban poverty and rural poverty. You don't know that poverty is not only found in rural areas, but in urban areas also you have found lots of poor people are there. In urban poverty, the people are poor because they have migrated from the rural area in search of jobs, in search of employment. They are coming to urban areas, and there also they are not able to arrange work for themselves, and they remain poor, or either they are getting the work, so they are only earnings to fulfill their food requirements only. They are not able to satisfy their basic necessities. So in urban areas also you have seen the number of poor people, like the person who are selling vegetable vendors are there, street hawkers are there, and there are so many other persons who are daily they are working and they are doing very such kind of work, so that they cannot arrange the money for fulfilling their basic necessities. So in urban areas lots of poor people are there. In rural areas also there are the people of poor people are having, there are the floods of poor people in India, that is in rural areas, because the people are mostly illiterate. They are generally they are engaged in agriculture work, and even the land holdings are very small and scattered. In rural areas the people are doing agriculture work, but they don't have that much of land so that they can fulfill their basic necessities. वो इतना भी ज़मीन उनके पास नहीं है कि वो अपना पूरी लाइफ को थोड़ा सा अच्छे से अपनी बेसिक नेसेसिटीज को फुलफिल कर सके. दे रिमेन एंगेज इन दैट पर्टिकुलर वर्क एंड दे रिमेन पुअर, so they are not able to satisfy their basic necessities. So in urban areas or in the rural areas, both the areas you have found the number of poor people here and there. Now what are the features of poverty? What are the characteristics of poverty? और पुअर पीपल की क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होते हैं? तो द पुअर पीपल आर हैविंग द फॉलोइंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, लाइक फर्स्ट इज हंगर, स्टारवेशन, मॉल न्यूट्रिशन, एंड दीज आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ पुअर पीपल. एक गरीब व्यक्ति को आप देख के ही पहचान सकते हैं. इफ यू वन पर्सन इज स्टैंडिंग, ही इज पुअर एंड द अदर इज नॉन पुअर. तो आई फ्रॉम by physical appearance only, that is by looking you can easily observe that who is poor and who is non poor. That is, the person of poor people is suffering from hunger, their starvation is there, and malnutrition. बहुत ही कमजोर होता है, malnourished होता है, is not having proper food to eat. So this is the quality of the characteristic of poor people, that he is hunger, starvation, and malnutrition. Next is poor health. डेफिनेटली अ पुअर पीपल इज हैविंग पुअर हेल्थ. जो गरीब व्यक्ति होता है उसकी हेल्थ भी बहुत ही पुअर होती है. ही इज नॉट फिट, ही इज नॉट हेल्दी, ही इज नॉट एबल टू do work because he is not getting food, proper food to remain healthy life. And the next is the limited economic opportunities. Yes, poor people is not having the getting economic opportunities. They are not having jobs, they're not having proper employment because he is illiterate, he is not able to do manual work, or he is not able to do any technical work, he is not having any technical knowledge. So they are having very limited opportunities with the poor people. Only the physical work is fit for the poor people, and that too when his health will be allowing them. So limited economic opportunities होती हैं पुअर पीपल के लिए. ड्रैप ट्रैप यू नो दैट, वो कर्ज के बोझ में दबा हुआ रहता है. when he is not having money, he will borrow the money, and he is not able to return back the borrowed money, and again he will take the loan, or he will borrow money, and he will again and again in the debt trap. पहले ही जो उसने पैसा उधार लिया वो उसको तो दे नहीं पाता है, और फिर से और पैसा ले लेता है, और इस तरह से वो डेप्ट ट्रैप में फंसता ही जाता है. दैट मीन्स पूरी तरह से वो डेप्ट ट्रैप हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज लैक ऑफ फैसिलिटीज ऑफ electricity and water. The poor people is not having इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, फैसिलिटीज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड वाटर. गरीब व्यक्ति के पास ना तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी होती है. मीन्स आप देखेंगे कुछ ऐसे गरीब होते हैं जो कि बिल्कुल ऐसे रोड्स वगैरह पे रहते हैं जहाँ पे उनके पास ना कोई इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है, ना वो ड्रिंकिंग वाटर फैसिलिटी है, एंड दे हैव टू गो इन सर्च ऑफ वाटर फार ऑफ प्लेसेस and not having electricity. So these are also the poor people is not getting these kinds of facilities also. There are other characteristics of also of poor people, like the poor people is not only facing this poor health, debt trap, lack of facilities of electricity and water, but also the poor people is having there is a gender inequality is there. In India, there is a gender inequality is there. That means that men and women are not having equal chance. The girls are not having any right to get education. Only the boys are having the get the rights of education. So that in that reason also, the girls are illiterate, and the boys, limited number of boys are only studying. So there is a gender inequality. Many works means they are free to do by men, not by the women. तो यहाँ पर जेंडर इनइक्वालिटी की वजह से भी गरीबी में ही हमारे यहाँ के लोग रह रहे हैं. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज बिगर फैमिली. In India, the size of the families is very big, so that their standard of living remain poor. वो इतनी बड़ी बड़ी फैमिलीज होती है, जॉइंट फैमिलीज में वो लोग रहते हैं, और उनके जो अर्निंग मेंबर, देर इज ओनली वन or two earning member is there, and lots of people are dependent on him. So the standard of living remain low and they remain poor. इंडिया में बड़ी बड़ी फैमिलीज हैं, बहुत सारे लोग एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन पर डिपेंड रहते हैं, और उसकी वजह से वो गरीबी में ही रहते हैं. दे आर नॉट हैविंग मेल मेंबर्स, और दे आर नॉट हैविंग द मेंबर्स टू earning member is very less, and the size of the family is too big, and that is why also the poverty will remain in India. So these are the qualities of poor people. So students, you can understand what is poverty. There are two types of poverty: urban poverty and rural poverty. That both the areas we are seeing poverty, and the characteristics of poor people.